Hi everyone, and welcome to Unit 27. Unit 27 is the first of 2 units in the capstone for Module 2. So first of all, congratulations. You're close to completing Module 2. And with a certificate in immigrant advocacy, you'd be able to find a recognized organization with which to work if you decide that you want to become a DOJ accredited representative. So what you're going to do in this unit is to start to pull together a series of activities that we call capstone activities, which really, in fact, pull together all the things that you've learned in Module 2 so that you can prove it to a potential employer or a place where you want to volunteer, and also so that you yourself can reflect on your learning and actually see tangible evidence of everything that you've learned in Module 2. So the first part of this unit, we focus on developing a legal theory. To me, being able to develop a legal theory is central to effective advocacy because it helps you in your mind to understand what the case is about, right? So it basically has 2 components. One is a factual theory, and the second is a case theory. So the factual theory is a summary of the relevant facts, the facts that you'd need to establish in order to show that your client's eligible for an immigration benefit. Think of it kind of like a trailer in a movie where you pull together all the relevant scenes, all the relevant information to attract the attention of the audience. And then the legal theory applies those facts to the law. So the case theory, so that you're actually presenting a case and explaining to an adjudicator why your client is eligible for the particular benefit based on the facts and the law. So that's what you're going to do in the first part of this unit. And then in the second part of this unit, you're going to start on the capstone. The capstone is, as I said, a series of activities, and here you're going to start to create an intake form. An intake form is the form that you use when you conduct intake interviews with clients. And these intake interviews are really the first time that you meet with a client in order to determine whether they may be eligible for a particular benefit. If you determine that they may be eligible, then you'd go back and ask more follow-up questions to really start filling out forms and really kind of assess deeply the eligibility. So the intake form is the first part of the process in which you work with a client to determine the facts that would support any kind of benefit that they would be seeking. And then the third part of this unit, you'll start to compose a Form I-589 application for asylum. So using the facts that we've given you, you'll pull together the application form and also write a persuasive cover letter. So you'll be using your tools of persuasion. I really hope you enjoy